Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the side panel in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4 inch bit, needle nose pliers, and a No. 1 square head bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Unthread the 5 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull out and lift the panel from the backsplash. Detach the ground wire. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the backsplash. Pull the backsplash back and lift up to free it from the dryer. Note the orientation of the wires. Detach the purple, brown, and red wires from the start switch. Now detach the red wire from the signal switch. Detach the purple, yellow, and red wires from the timer. Detach the blue, yellow, brown, and bottom orange wires from the temperature switch. Detach the brown and white wires from the resistor. Unthread the 2 screws securing both of the top panel plates. Detach the solid brown wire from the purple wire. Feed the wires through the panel. Unthread the 2 screws on the top of the panel. Then unthread the 2 screws under the lip of the door threshold. Lift the top panel from the appliance. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the front panel. While supporting the front, unplug the 2 wire harnesses. Lift out the front panel. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the side panel to the blower housing and base. If changing the panel on the right side, unthread the screw and remove the clip in the center of the panel along with the screw securing the panel to the base. Now, unthread the remaining 6 screws along the perimeter of the side panel. Lift the cover to slide the panel out. To install the new side panel, slide the 4 tabs into the base, then lift the cover and push the panel forward to set in place. Rethread the 6 screws along the perimeter of the panel. Now rethread the 2 screws to the blower housing and base to secure it. If you change the right side panel, snap in the clip and rethread the screw as well as the screw in the base to secure the panel. Set the front panel on the 3 tabs. Then plug in the 2 wire harnesses. Push the panel forward. Then secure it with the 2 screws. Hook the back of the top panel and adjust until it's aligned. Set the panel on the appliance and feed the wires through. Rethread the 2 screws under the door threshold. As well as the 2 screws on the top of the panel. Reattach the solid brown wire to the purple wire. Slide the top plates into position and secure with the 2 screws. Reattach the white and brown wires. Reattach the blue, yellow, brown, and bottom orange wires into the temperature switch. Reattach the purple, yellow, and red wires into the timer. Reattach the red wire into the signal switch. Reattach the purple, brown, and red wires to the start switch. Set the backsplash back into the dryer slots and push forward to lock in place. Rethread the 2 screws. Reattach the ground wire to the panel. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the dryer. Rethread the 5 screws. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.